Villa number 17, last of the new villas that have the pool. Outside you have an area you can rinse your feet off, coffee delivery, beautiful doors. Push that open. This one has really beautiful woodwork in the hallway. You can see the living area. These can accommodate a family of up to 6, depending on the ages of the children. They can add extra beds to this day bed area. Then there is the main bedroom. With doors that close all the way. If you want to completely separate the main bedroom from the seating area, or so parents can be away close to their kids but have some privacy. Has the evening breeze bed for the personal cooling system, the remote luggage rack and storage behind. Beautiful views with a lovely private pool. See where you put luggage back here. Nice ample space to hang things up. There is laundry service available at Lapa Rios, and the turnaround is really quick. And the bathroom's through here. This is my favorite bathroom. I love the way that light comes through the ceiling. Double sinks and a toilet. Your indoor shower. A truly beautiful outdoor shower. And the cicadas are singing right now since it's noon. It's really hot. Hot and sunny, but this makes these rooms absolutely perfect since you can slip into your private pool and cool down anytime you want. We're going to show you the new Premier Villas at Lapa Rios. There are 2 of these, and they're great for 2 groups of friends or 2 couples traveling together. There's Frank. They're connected via a door through this beautiful stone wall. So I'm going to take you through this one, and then we'll show how it connects to the other. This is Premier Villa 14. You can see where you get your coffee delivery. And let's go through this gorgeous door. Really pretty with the bed and the seating area. Amazing views, art from the Quebecer community in terms of the lamps that are hanging. The day bed can accommodate a child or even another adult, and the Premier Villas can take 4 people or 5 if the children are younger and the family all wants to share one room. And then the bed is absolutely stunning with the mosquito net curtains around it, and the evening breeze, which is a personal air conditioning system. It takes air from under the bed, filters it and cools it, and then uses this canopy to spray it over the person, not spray, kind of diffuse it over the person sleeping, and it can cool the temperature immediately around the bed by up to 7 degrees. Writing area and the lamp from the Quebecer community. Go into the bathroom. It's the air condition or the remote to control the evening breeze bed. You can see on the other side there's walkie-talkies. Now that Lapa Rios has Wi-Fi throughout the property, you can use WhatsApp to communicate with the front desk. You can also use walkie-talkies to get in touch. Guests do not have to walk all the way up the hill from here to get to the main lodge. They can ask for a car and just descend a couple minutes down to the pickup spot at the bottom of the staircase and be driven up top. Beautiful bathroom, double sinks, indoor and outdoor showers. It's the indoor rain shower there. All organic and locally made products, and of course the water at Lapa Villas is filtered and safe to drink right from the tap. The property doesn't use any single-use plastics, so guests are encouraged to bring their own water bottles, or you can borrow one to use when you're staying here. Outdoor shower. I love this one with the greenery right here. Use of Golfo Dulce. And then showing you the balcony. And then this is the door. We're going to check out bungalow number 8, which is a deluxe bungalow. And this one has 2 queen beds, so you could accommodate a family of 4 or 2 friends. Coffee, foot rinsing station. Start with the bathroom first, since this is in the back. Sinks are outside, double sinks behind the bed. You can see now all the rooms have hair dryers. You have your indoor shower. Even though it's indoors, it still has a beautiful window into the rainforest. Closet area. Seating area. And this is a pretty typical size for all of the deluxe bungalows, and this is the entry-level room at Lapa Rios, so it's very, very spacious. Another seating area in the corner, great for playing cards or games. Awesome views. Nice lounge space, hammock, which is very important for siesta time, and then beautiful outdoor shower as well, surrounded by greenery. And that is a deluxe bungalow.